Okay guys, so we're back out on the beach. As you can tell, the wind was really horrendous. I've come off the boat trip yesterday and I'd remembered the conditions, what was forecast was going to be the same as when I caught Plaice last year. Really strong westerly winds, and I thought, let's get down there and see if we can get a Plaice again. So let's see how we get on. I know the wind noise is really bad in this video, but to
Well,
be honest,
guys,
it's how it is.
we've
It's
done
how the
it.
day is, and it
A
goes to
lovely
show,
place.
not comfortable fishing, and it shows you what people go through. So for me, I'm not sure like it's not so much of an issue because I think it's just the realities of the day rather than you just
Yes.
hearing no wind and just thinking I'm sat there chilling and stuff. So yeah, I'll keep as much as I can out, but yeah, it's just part of the session, guys.
Second place of the trip.
Both of the Plaice were deep hooked, as you can see. Now I've left put this in the video before, but I'll just show it again now, and you can hear my voice instead of the wind a bit. But yeah, basically by reversing the hook coming through the gills, you can get the hook out without hurting the fish. Um, if you try and unhook a flatty through the mouth like this, I think it's almost certainly going to be a dead fish. So yeah, just by pushing a tool, either a disgorger or like a T-bar, like in this case, to pull the line back through the gills, just be very gentle going through the gills. But if you pull it back through, you turn the hook and then you can unhook it sort of backwards, if that makes sense. As you can see, no blood, and yeah, much better than just either snipping the line or trying to pull it out through the mouth because yeah, it's not good. Once the fish is unhooked, you can pass the hook back through. But what I like to do is just because you might nick it on the way back through. So what I do is I just cut the hook off and retie it. It only takes a second, and hopefully we've saved a fish.
And a different species, a flounder. take him. Look at the size of that. Wow. Look at that for a fish. I'm over the moon with him. Oh. Well guys, how's about that? He was on the last cast. We've run out of bait. It's twisting. We're on the last cast. Like I said, we've run out of bait. It's been really windy for the filming. But yeah, my 4th ever bass, possibly a PB. I think maybe second biggest, but I'm absolutely over the moon. Let's get him back. Let's get him back. Oh my god. Tiny bass. How cool is he? Oh, look at this. That is one cool fish. Perfection in miniature. Let's get it back. I was sort of half hoping that was a bigger, but I'll take that. I've never had one that small before. So back home now, and again I do apologise about the wind noise, but to be honest, if I'm suffering, why don't you guys suffer at home, innit? But no, seriously, yeah, I wasn't even sure I was going to film, to be honest. But as it turned out, the fishing was fantastic, so yeah, thought I'd put it out for a video. 2 more species for the species hunt, and I didn't think I was going to get a bass. I was hoping for a Plaice, but yeah, the bass was a bonus. I don't know if you could hear at the very end, but I thought that was going to be a weaver. That would have been an icing on the cake, but yeah, tiny little bass like that. So my 5th ever bass. Got a bit excited over the other bass, but like I said, I don't catch many, so yeah, I was absolutely buzzing with that. And that was the only one where I actually saw a bite because the weather was so bad, but that bass did give me a good pull down. So yeah, really chuffed with that. Yeah, we move on. Probably a bit of course fishing coming up now. I'm not really sure. The weather's turned. We've had all this wind and stuff like that. I do want to go down to Anglesey to try and tick off some more, like a garfish and whatnot. But might get back on the course fishing for a week. We'll see. But I hope you'll join me. And as ever, guys, any questions, stick it down below. Hope you're doing really well in your own fishing. And yeah, we'll see you on the next one. Cheers, guys. Bye now.